Slash Dr. White Cat, always so bright, helping the animals day and night. Little bunny cried, ouch, oh no. Don't you worry, I'll fix that, here we go. Meow, 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 don't be afraid. A little care and you'll be okay. Meow, 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 you're not alone. Dr. White Cat will help you at home. Little bear sneezed, achoo, oh dear. Dr. White Cat said, no worries here. Plumma puppy fell down, scraped his knee. Let's clean it up, you'll be fine. Trust me, every day a brand new case. Helping friends all over the place. From the forest to the town, Dr. White Cat is always around. Meow, 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 don't be afraid. A little care and you'll be okay. Meow, 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 you're not alone. Dr. White Cat will help you at home. Bell ends with a soft happy meow. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe to support us in creating more exciting content.